Hi friends, welcome to Global Tech Code channel. Today we are going to see the most important topic in JavaScript that is called closure. Let's dive into the session. First, we will learn about local scope and global scope in JavaScript. Here I'm in Sublime Text Editor and I have one index.html file and script.js. Inside that index.html file, I have mentioned the basic tags with this text. And in script.js, and I'm just initializing one global variable. I'm going to print this value. It's printed as 100. Okay. Then I'm going to create one local function. Inside the local function, I'm going to create one variable like this. Giving 200 as a value. Then I'm going to print inside that function itself. Let's see the result. Sorry, I'm not calling this function. Here we got the result. Okay, let's try something different. Like, shall we call this variable outside this function? Let's try it. What happened? I'm getting error. Local variable is not defined because it's not taking the variable which is initialized inside the functions. That means that variable is alive only inside this function. This is the concept called local scope. Let's go to our topic, closure. Now, I'm going to create one parent function now. I'm passing just on value a. I'm going to print this value. And going to return this function. Nothing I'm going to return first. I just written nothing. So then it's working fine now. Now I'm going to create a child function inside of this return. Also I'm passing another value here, value b. Here I'm going to multiply this value and I'm going to print. Okay. If I execute this function, it's calling the parent function. But it's not executing the inside that return function. Because if it is a function means it need to execute the return also, right? but it's not executing that value, it's not coming to me. Just this console is printing, so we are getting the 10 value, right? Okay, then what we need to do, we have to call this function also. Let's call it. We'll give another value. See, we got that output 30. 3 into 10, 30. Here, we have to notice one point. First, we have called this parent function. It doesn't execute this function, right? But it's completed the whole execution of parent function. That value a is inside this parent function. So it's a local scope. It only alive inside this function, right? Okay, after execution complete, it won't be live. So we can't able to access this. But in this concept, uh, after I'm calling parent call function, it is accessing the value a also. So we can able to access the value after that function execution is complete. So this is the concept called closure. You can able to access the variable, or even that function gets executed and it's not an alive, you can get the value of that variable. Simple. This is the concept of closure. That's it, friends. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you are a new user, don't forget to subscribe this channel and click bell icon. Thanks for watching.